Welcome back to Beauty for the Win. Today is my first time ever trying Mario Badescu skincare. I don't know if I'm saying his last name right. I've never tried any of this before, but it looks amazing. It's a kit that I just recently got from Sephora, and I haven't tried any of them. It just came in the mail. It's the trial sprays, facial sprays. So there is one with aloe, herbs, and rose water, one with aloe, cucumber, and green tea, and one with aloe, chamomile, and lavender, aloe, sage, and orange blossom. I love natural essential oils. I love, natural ingredients. So this is something that I would love. So here's the first one. This is the rose water, aloe, and herbs. Each one of these is 2 ounces, okay? I think what I'm going to do, since I have no makeup on my skin right now, I'm going to be spraying them and seeing how they smell and just the feeling of them, texture. Let's see here. So this one in general says it's a hydrating boost or a midday pick-me-up, leaves the skin radiant and re-energized. So let's try this. This is their most popular one, by the way, that they sell. Ooh. Oh, I like that. That's very rosy. Love it. Ooh, it smells really good. Doesn't feel sticky, which is really nice. Yeah, I like the texture of it. Nice and hydrating. I have rose water right here, so definitely love my rose water. I feel like rose water or rose in general is just something that you really like or you don't like. There's a lot of people that don't like it. Okay, let's try the aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Interesting combination. Let's see here. Ooh, that hits you with the green tea real good. That smells good. That smells really good. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of, there was a perfume back in the day, and it was a green tea perfume. What was it? I think it was Elizabeth Arden. If I think about what the name was, I'll write it in the description box. It smells just like this. It smells good. Very good. If you read the back, it says it has an infusion of botanical extracts and cucumber and peppermint essential waters. So peppermint. I had a huge hit of green tea. Didn't really pay attention to the peppermint notes in there, but yeah. This facial mist delivers a cooling boost of hydration that leaves skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. So very refreshing, this one. I have a feeling this might be my favorite one. I love lavender and chamomile, and this is the chamomile lavender, so that looks like it's going to be a good one. Back of it says calming botanicals and lavender essential water. This facial mist delivers a soothing boost of hydration, vitamin C, which is an antioxidant, skin aging free radicals, it helps with that, and it leaves the skin balanced and bright. So for balancing the skin tone, I mean, this is probably really good for acne. Let's try it out. Oh, that just hits you with the lavender. Love it. Oh, that smells really good. I think this would be nice for bedtime, like after you do your serums. I would definitely spray this on just before you go to bed. That'll add even more to your calming nighttime routine as well as your skin. And last but not least is aloe, sage, and orange blossom. So that's quite an interesting combination. Purifying botanical extracts that tone, improve skin's clarity, so good for acne. It's citrus scented and restores balance to reveal a dewy and supple, smooth complexion. I feel like I'm gonna really get hit with the orange blossom in this one. Let's see. Wow, that is sweet. This one's really sweet smelling. Smells good. I smell the orange really, really well, but I also can smell the sage. I think that's what I'm getting right now. Yeah, definitely the sage. Ooh, smells good. I haven't tried them for a long period of time, so hopefully I don't break out from them, but I mean, from what I can tell, they smell really good. They feel moisturizing on my skin. My skin doesn't feel sticky. Sometimes when I have facial sprays, which I haven't in a while, they can have that sticky texture on your face. So yeah, so far I'm liking these. If you guys have tried them, let me know what you think. On all of these, they say skin types for all, right here in the corner. You see that? See, it says all skin types. However, some are probably better than others for acne, like I said. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. Stay tuned. I will be making more beauty videos very soon.